Open source software has a source code available for the developers and for the companies that are trying to produce a product. It allows them to easily produce new products with a lot of already tested and available software that do not have to be developed by them. It cuts down on the development time, it cuts down on the development cost, and it's also good eventually for their customers. On the other hand, is good for developers and end users. Now, with open source, the people who use that software do not have to make their changes available to the people who receive their binaries. In free software, the people who get the binaries also have access to the source code that built those binaries. And this includes, when I say end users, this includes companies and universities and governments and anybody who receives those binaries. It allows the end user to be as knowledgeable as the developer is on the way the software works.